Tired of cable spaghetti? Introducing the world's first enterprise state-of-the-art cable management solution for network and server racks that guarantees lightning-fast maintenance and installations by providing the exact length patch cord required every time. The PATCHBOX cable management solution comes with everything you need to patch a 24-port switch to 2 patch panels, including specifically designed mounting rails, as well as the patch catch cable organizers and cassette identification labels. With PATCHBOX, no other conventional cable management system is required. The PATCHBOX cable management solution consists of up to 24 modular cassettes containing ISO IEC 11801 Class E certified patch cords. The cassette's integrated pulley system ensures that any surplus or overlength patch cord is retracted and stowed away safely. Included with the PATCHBOX solution are 96 individual cassette identification labels, which can be personalized and placed into each PATCHBOX cassette effortlessly. To patch, simply take the patch cable or patch cord and start patching furthest away from the PATCHBOX unit. For guiding a patch cord from A to B, only 2 patch catches are required. Tracing patch cords becomes so simple, as patch cords only run horizontally and vertically. By simply pulling on one end of the patch cord, you'll immediately see the other end moving regardless where in the rack. This significantly increases productivity and accuracy of any maintenance task. PATCHBOX. Simplify IT.